Welcome to MailerLite's Q4 recap of the latest product news. We've got lots of exciting updates, including 2 new next-level features that are designed to improve your email marketing results. So, with that said, let's jump into it. The first new feature is called Smart Sending, and it takes personalization into hyperdrive. So, picture this. Emails magically landing in your subscribers' inboxes precisely when they're most likely to open them. Thanks to AI and a sprinkle of ingenuity, Smart Sending uses past behaviors to send at the perfect times. So you can just sit back, relax, and watch the magic happen. Alright, now on to feature number 2, which is multivariate testing. With multivariate testing, you can optimize your campaigns faster by running more tests at the same time. While A/B testing compares one variable at a time, like a subject line or a sender's name, multivariate testing lets you compare 4 variables, getting you insights faster than ever. Moving on from our big feature releases, we've also got some important improvements that you need to know about. Our design team has been working hard creating 23 new amazing templates for your campaigns. To view these, just head over to the template gallery and you can see the newest design templates right there for you, ready for new engagement, including free shipping, promoted products, New Year celebration, company anniversary month, and so much more. Next up, for all you WooCommerce users out there, our plugin just got a major glow up. With a sleek new